Introducing the Halo, the jewel in the crown at Barclays Zone 1 flagship scheme, Oval Village. Set within a thriving district, already home to over 350 residents, shaped by ambition and transformation. Offering a unique investment opportunity to buy a home next to one of the most famous sporting venues in the capital's prime regeneration zones. The Halo offers excellent travel connections. Located within walking distance of 3 Zone 1 stations, with Gatwick Airport just 30 minutes away by train. With a PTAL rating of 6B, the highest of all London ratings, and shared by just 4% of Londoners. With quick and easy connections to London's financial district. World-renowned educational institutions are a short journey away. Located close to Kennington Park, and only a 10-minute walk from the River Thames. Amidst this evolution stands an iconic landmark. Curated in 1847, the gas holder was the largest of its kind. The intricate circular iron frame became an iconic feature of the London skyline, featuring as a backdrop to the Kia Oval, the first ground to host Test cricket in England, and the birthplace of the Ashes. The Halo reimagines the iconic Victorian structure for modern living. Seamlessly woven into the fabric of London, where heritage meets innovation, blending a powerful past, creating a visionary future. A sanctuary of balance, quiet serenity, set against the vibrance of a thriving community. 10 stories of elevated living, surrounded by stunning landscaped gardens and commercial spaces. With 199 brand new residences, including 18 penthouses, offering breathtaking views from private terraces. From the moment you arrive, an experience curated to perfection. A retreat in the city where every space is designed to elevate daily life. The Halo offers fantastic residence facilities, including the private residence terrace. Experience an unrivaled view of the legendary Kia Oval, witness moments of sporting brilliance, or simply enjoy the outdoor space with friends and family. Relax and enjoy state-of-the-art amenities. Spaces to reset and unwind. Every finish, every texture, a testament to uncompromising quality. Each apartment is a masterpiece of design, light-filled, meticulously finished, and crafted for modern living. A perfect balance of style and comfort. Each residence a sanctuary above the city. This is your moment, a tribute to the past, a vision for the future. The best seat in the house, the Halo.